Hi guys, today is the fourth day of my painting job, so I'm gonna start here. I already finished all the rooms and this part of the house. Now I'm gonna paint. Today I'm gonna paint this area. This cornice is very difficult to paint, and I'm gonna paint until there, in that area where the air condition is, and then tomorrow I will continue doing this. So maybe I still have 2 more days to finish all the house, painting all the house. So I'm gonna sand that part where I put all the patches, and then I'm gonna start painting. See you later. As you can see, I'm already done with the half of the cornice in this part. So I still have this long until here. So I need to finish it today. As you can see, I'm already done in this part. I'm gonna remove the tape. And now I'm gonna start in this side. So that's the end of today. Only until that corner, small corner, and then I will continue tomorrow because it is a long cornice. So I'm gonna finish this side tonight. I'm about to finish this area finally. I am finally done with this part. As you can see, also the part of the ceiling. And look at that. So it's so clean.